Okay, guys, the Viking Rogaland here in Thailand. I got another surprise. This one. I thought it was a Suzuki A100 engine. Then it was quite clean, but when I cleaned it a little bit more, I decided to see what is there on the engine. And this is A90 588529. And then if you look at the cylinder block, somewhere there I saw it says 86. So it's a 90cc, Suzuki A90cc. And it came without a kicker. So I took this one from the A100. And it had a very good compression. Very good. Actually, so I already loosened the bolts here. I loosened the spark plug already, so I don't have so strong hands that I can release without any tools. So here we see the spark plug. It's a bit rusty there at the end. So here is the head gasket. Okay, let's try to put these parts over here, shall we? So you can see this one. It's a very old style flywheel cover with no sticker, but it's the emblem. So this is from the very old bike. And if you take a peek here, you can see there is an S emblem S on the side. I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Good. Okay, so let's pull off the head, shall we? Aye. Pull off the head. Anyway, I mean, these two of them, I think it was this and this, they came out with the nuts. So anyway, I put it back. I like to keep them like that. So here is the cylinder head. It has quite a lot of black stuff from Norwegian. We call it soot. Charcoal, whatever. So here is the piston, and the cylinder. So if we check it out, it's nice. The cylinder is very nice. Very nice indeed. And you can see here on the top here it says 200. So it means this is an overbore 2, but no problem because it's in a very good condition. So that's a new product. We have here the dynamo cables. So the dynamo is obviously inside there. We have the front sprocket is in here. And so later on I'm gonna pull out of this one the gear change pedal. Let's see. Yeah, it's moving. Okay, that's good. So probably the gear system is working. Very interesting. So this one has a, let's see here. Let's see if we get maybe we can do something here with a rubber hammer. Yeah, anyway, I will look. I'm looking forward to take it off, and then I will see if I can put a 100cc cylinder straight on it. you know, according to what I found online, the stroke of this is 50 mm, so it's the same as the A100. And as this and the bore, standard bore is 47 mm. So since this is +2, it means it has a 49. So it's basically a 100cc bike already. But my question is it possible to put a 100cc cylinder? Because some people, maybe they would like it, but again, this is 200 overbore up to 49, so it's basically like a 90, yeah, 98 is the standard for the A100, so this should be like 96cc already. Okay, guys, I don't promise that I will follow a lot up with this one, but at least you see here a very rare engine that I got here in Thailand, Suzuki A90. Okay, so I used the hammer, this one, decent hammer, not a rubber hammer, and this one was glued to the crankcase. That's why it was quite stuck. But now you see here already we got it off. The cylinder is coming off. So let's see if we can just pull it out. Yeah, there we go. So this is the first time in my life that I hold a Suzuki A90 cylinder in my hands. I had 70cc cylinders. I have A80 cylinders, but never this one. So that's how it looks like. And I was thinking there to show you where is there is some mark here. I'm not sure what it is. S1, something like that. So as you can see, it is shining bright like a diamond, no problem whatsoever. No problem whatsoever with this cylinder. Piston looks good. So I'm looking forward to work on this very rare engine. Here is the piston. Looks very good. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Okay, guys, we have the Suzuki A90 engine. I took off the cylinder. Cylinder is here with the piston. And what I have here, voila, brand new Suzuki A100. See here, it says 98 cc, correct? So I already checked it. So the gasket, the cylinder gasket from the A100 will go straight on here, and the head gasket also the same thing. If you don't believe me, I'll show it to you here. This is the A100 gasket, right? So it fits straight on to the block. And also the head gasket, it is somewhere down the road. So here you see even the holes here for the canals there. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, like this, I think. Let's see. Maybe there is something strange here. I'm not sure. Look here. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. Straight on the A80. So, just to prove my point, let's take this A100 block, put it straight on. Look here. Okay, look. And there we go. Yeah, it's a straight fit. So now the only thing that matters is to check if the piston pin is the same. But as far as I can judge from this one, that is the same as on the A100. So that's it. I have two brand new cylinders like this in my stock. So it means I will probably put 100cc on this one. But if you're interested, maybe you want to buy this one and the head. Okay, guys. So here we are, Suzuki A100 cylinder straight fit on the A90 engine.